vos snowboards et accessoires Instagram et Facebook. Identifiez-vous dans vos publications. Now, Captain Roshi wants to share your photos with the world. Make sure to follow us at CF Snowbirds on Instagram and Facebook, and tag us in your posts.
We'll find out
My
shortly.
name is Captain Rich McDougall, Snowbird 11. I'll be your narrator today. From Moncton, New Brunswick, the former CC-130 Hercules air refueling pilot and CT-156 instructor as well. Now to my left we have Snowbird 10 Captain Genevieve Dion from Saguenay, Quebec. He'll be your safety pilot today. Now as the team joins us here at the waterfront, the team is just taking off. Let me tell you a little bit about the jets that are used in today's performance. The Canadair CT-1142 were built in the early 1960s.
Wow,
Served as the
60s.
primary jet trainer for the Royal Canadian Air Force until the year 2000. The single K-85 jet engine produces 2,700 pounds of thrust, which propels this relatively light aircraft to speeds of over 400 knots. The straight wing design and the finely tuned controls make it a classic sports car of the air. With the exceptional maintenance it receives from our highly qualified team of technicians, the Tudor continues to serve as the perfect platform for formation aerial demonstration. Folks, for a glimpse behind the scenes. If you look out to the right into the distance, the pilots are setting up for what we call the shakeout. This procedure starts with a positive 5G pull, then a negative 2G push, followed by a smoke check. We use it to test both the aircraft and the pilot's bodies to ensure themselves ready for the show. Mostly we will spot the smoke trails as well.
Oh, there they are. Oh. On the name you know one. Because almost Dawson, you almost cover a wider area.
Ceci est effectué pour tester à la fois l'avion ainsi que corps d'être pour s'assurer qu'ils sont tous rendus pour le spectacle. Maintenant que l'équipe s'est rejointe en formation de test, le spectacle commence dans
Oh, they're far. Indiana block for me.
rejoindre ici aujourd'hui sur des avions qui seront utilisés dans les performances. Le Canada CP-114 Picard, construit au début des années 60, a servi comme avion avec son entraînement. Son aviation Royal Canadian Research. Le moteur J85 produit 2700 livres de puissance. Cet avion léger just a moment as we arrive to the cockpit of Snowbird 1.
There's a more. Yeah, Indiana block.
And that's at about 19. I know about
Oh yeah, smoke. I know more in the distance. Yeah, they're not anywhere close to here.
Your 2025 Canadian Forces Snowbirds. Both snowbirds in Constellation Vilnius and this is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
Hopefully, I'm not okay. I'm going to display with your lecture. So, who if you cry now, we will not see a match, but I'm going to be a place. It's not a good dog, which was all cover wider area. Very interesting. Very interesting. That's a good idea.
Looking left, you'll see the team change to swept delta formations for another onside pass. Then watch as they pull up into a loop and change back to big time.
To play when you bump pick a track around here. Can you imagine how this is? I don't know more. Your friend is GC. GC, you know, Emma, often GC. Absorb unity. It's crazy. I would jam the cable snap on the thing. Maybe already I appreciate this.
to the team. Now injured in the inner left wing position is number 3, Captain Patrick Shahed on the activate. Captain Shahed is a former C-140 commercial pilot with over 3,300 hours of flying hours. Now the backbone of our formation consists of 2 line starting pilots, center Captain Brendan Cullis from Sydney, British Columbia. And at the tail end, cool, calm, and collected is our second line starting pilot, number 5, Captain Scott Boyd from Burnaby, British Columbia. He's a senior number 2 flight instructor with over 3,400 hours of flying time. Now, look straight ahead for the hero split.
Wow. Oh.
The role of the solo is both physically and mentally demanding, requiring split-second decision-making from opposing solo pilots. Number 8, Captain Michael McDonald, the Shichusumi Kibe. There's numbers 1 through 7 in big formation. Watch as they pull up in the middle, change to village, and then to arrow. Solos fly Canopy and perform the Veer Pass.
But they're flying back to back. One is upside down and the other one is.
Now looks straight ahead as the team runs in for the awe-inspiring and iconic Canada Burst.
Wow.
Up or son?
We can't approve. Wow. You don't come without your glasses. It's a big mistake. Sunglasses. You try me. I'm saying proper Ghana camera, but sometimes the maneuvers you are forced to try to. Almost done. I was saying 3, I think it's around 4 in total. 340. So ferment me and fat man too noisy. No, and then they've been soon. They've been in it. Yeah. Wow. Your heart. Love. Wow.
The snowbirds are dedicated today's to all the volunteers here in Toronto that work so hard to
Oh,
make
that's
the snow
nice.
huge success.
Wow. That's good.
Alors que snowbirds c'est pour le tour de la formation. Suivi par une manœuvre sensationnelle. Le back cross.
I can see it back there.
Wow. Don't even know where to look.
Get ready for a collaboration between the solos and the step dance. The snowbirds present the full-way cross.
Wow. We fly upside down. We fly. We are reflecting almost. So, tornado. Feeling as a problem.
We'd like to take this opportunity to highlight our dedicated technicians to ensure that we have safe and operational jets day in and day out. Our performance today would not have been possible without these amazing members of our team. Nos techniciens de guise sur les avions travaillent jour après jour. Tout simplement pas, on est sans ces incroyables scores. Our crew chief, Sergeant Shane Booker, is our crew. Number 2 Alpha, Corporal Aaron Martin from Regina, Saskatchewan. Number 3 Alpha, Master Corporal David McKeck from Truro, Nova Scotia. Number 4 Alpha, Corporal Chad Humphrey for home base in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Number 5 Alpha, Master Corporal Tristan Mazeski from Toronto, Ontario. Number 6 Alpha, Corporal Alvin Alviola from Myanmar, Philippines. Number 7 Alpha, Corporal Mike Risky from Barrie, Ontario. Number 8 Master Corporal Justin Chantanet from Mississauga, Ontario. Number 9 Corporal Etienne Bidodou de Saint-Hyacinthe, Quebec. Number 10 Alpha Corporal Eric Henry from Belleville, Ontario. Number 11 Alpha Corporal Duncan Corrigan from Kingston, Ontario. Our supply technicians, Corporal Patrick Gago and Midwifer Jeffrey Castillo. And our mobile support vehicle operator, Corporal Isabelle Gervais from Montreal, Quebec. Let's give them all a big round of applause.
That's it. One final bypass. I think somebody will fire one more time. One more back. Left, yeah. We always go to the same area. Wow. Wow. Woo! Wow.
Major Prince Manny of Wyville, Ontario. He's a former CFAT fighter pilot who was number 9 in 2012 and 2013.
Oni. All right.
Here they are, folks. 2025 Canadian Horses Snowbirds. Les voici nos Snowbirds de Coast Canadienne 2025.
Woo! We don't do us. We talk from Pearson. Island, and I don't think some runway no strong enough for them to.
Get your cameras ready for one final stunning for today.
Ghana style.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm going to ask you about you are. And then when you see the play, you're very register. Oh, I know.
Depending on maybe about me at all.